How to fix Snapchat messages not showing problem. So if you want to fix Snapchat messages not showing, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have an internet connection, you might face some kind of problems. So you can turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. Once you've done with the internet connection, now you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you can scroll down, tap on apps, and under apps you can go with see all apps, and you can tap on Snapchat. Once you tap on Snapchat, now you need to just go with storage and cache. Under storage and cache, you can go and clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, now just go back, and after that you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for Snapchat. After searching, if you have any updates on your Snapchat, then you just need to simply go with the update, and after updating, you need to restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.